Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Welcome back to the NoFaceCrypto channel, where there's no face, there is indubitably no case. You feel me? First things first, before I even get into the video, I just have to let you guys know, if you are not subscribed already, what are you doing? 50 XRP giveaway at 500 subscribers. Let me say it again. 50 XRP giveaway at 500 subscribers. Lock in. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, okay? I'm not shilling nothing. I'm speaking facts here. Straight facts. So get it right. Now, let's start with Exhibit 1. I spoke about this on my previous video. Big banks are exploring interoperable stablecoins. They are working together for interoperable stablecoins. Understand that. Okay? That is very important. JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and they're all working in the peer-to-peer system Zelle, okay, and with the clearinghouse for stablecoins. So this is 100% happening. You guys got the stablecoin legislation. It's going through Congress right now. So what are we really talking about here? Now, article came out May 10, 2025. You can find this on thecurrencyanalytics.com. Okay, XRP expands role in blockchain interoperability. I mean, it's happening. I'm not going to read this whole article. You guys can find it for yourself. There's not much to speak about here. I am the crypto YouTuber that dumbs it down to the lamest terms, okay? You don't got to understand much, I promise. Wow, look at that beautiful globe, all these transactions. Anyway, I'm going to play this video for you guys, let her speak for you. And she's going to literally reiterate everything I just said, but more professionally. Ready?
You know, crypto has been in the news time and time again, and I just want to share that I am on the board of Ripple. Ripple is XRP. And so when people ask me the question, why did you join the board of Ripple? I joined the board of Ripple because XRP serves a purpose. It's a function that facilitates cross-border payments. It's not some store of value, kind of arbitrary value that is not pegged to anything. This is actually what legitimate financial institutions use, specifically for cross-border payments. So instead of days and dollars, it's seconds and cents. And that is the future, in my opinion.
Ripple's a company of really professional people working really hard on this. That's why we chose XRP. We believe in XRP. We're not making a price prediction, but we do believe it's a coin that will have the most utility out there. You know, Bitcoin is a store of value. I agree with Mike McGlone, but I think that XRP has a true use case. There's just no doubt about it. And the Ripple team, from the interaction we've had with them, they're really professional. They act like investment bankers over there. They know what they're doing, and they will make this work.
I'm just going to play that back one more time for you guys to hear what he said.
But I think that XRP has a true use case. There's just no doubt about it. And the Ripple team, from the interaction we've had with them, they're really professional. They act like investment bankers over there. They know what they're doing, and they will make this work.
They know what they're doing. They act like bankers over there, and they will make this work. All right. Don't listen to me. Listen to him. Shout out Puerto Rico. Shout out Puerto Rico. Rizzox XRP. Hey, I love to see it. I love to see it, yo. Shout out Puerto Rico. Okay. So very interesting take here, guys. I mean, it's all happening around you. Just place yourself. All right. There's not really much to talk about. The only thing to really talk about here, the only thing you need to be doing is educating yourself. And once you get to the point where you gain conviction and you feel educated enough, you go stack up whatever assets you want, really. But I can recommend some utility coins, okay? I did it before. I'll do it again. Alright? Y'all need to be buying XRP, XDC, HBAR, Algorand, XLM, and now Zbcn. I guess I'll talk about Zbcn a little bit more in this video, so let's just get it pulled up real quick. If you guys don't know, now you know. BitUnex is probably the best exchange to view charts on, in my opinion. You can also do futures trading, and you can buy spot regularly if you would like. At some point, I will be linking my code for referrals. If you would like, you can get $20 in Bitcoin, and I'll get $20 in Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Now, when we look at this chart, I mean, this thing is definitely going down. as anticipated, a pretty big correction. For like 5 days, this thing has just been running. I mean, oh my gosh, just ridiculous. Just ridiculous. You keep going and it just keeps getting crazier. Forever. It's just been running. Alright. So, obviously now we're going to stall out a little bit. It's Sunday coming up. We pumped on a Saturday, which is absolutely beautiful. We went up here to about 48, 0048, bruh. From my last video, I believe it was like 0033. So, I mean, at one point, this was up at 50% gain over the day, again. And that's after like 30% yesterday, like 60% the day before, 50% the day before, 50% the day before. Absolutely insane. Now, I do anticipate a solid support level here around 33. As I had spoke before in one of my previous videos, we were setting new floors here, here, and here. So we got about 29, 30, and 33 is going to be our floors. For now, we're just going to fall, consolidate a little bit. We have to consolidate. It's just obvious. Now, what happened here? I'm not going to lie, guys. I've been hearing a little bit of whispers that we've been having a lot of institutional buying today. So I don't know what happened here. Obviously, we're going to have a sharp sell. Someone sold a bag. Now, the tokenomics surrounding this coin, they're pretty good. I don't know what the percentage exactly is that is tied up in owners' wallets, but this is not a rug pull. So you guys can understand that now. This is not a rug pull. But yeah, we should be getting some support eventually here. I would say around 3.3. But if we go down all the way, I mean, we could even go back down to like 2.9 again and consolidate and go back up for another pump. This thing's been going on hundreds of percent for days. So don't be surprised. This is why I mentioned in my last video, I do not recommend chasing green candles. It is not 100% smart, but if you did, this would have allowed you an opportunity to stack up on some other utility if you wanted to off of these profits right here, because we were in profit for a while today. So if you did that, congratulations. If you didn't do that, well, get along for the ride. I'm probably gonna I might have to make a move here. I'm not gonna lie. So I will have to end this video. No face, no case. I am gonna get out of here, but I will update you guys eventually later, maybe in a couple days. We'll see. But this is what a free fall looks like, my boys. It's a good run, and we will definitely go back up again, as you can see here. I mean, this is exactly what's happening. Same thing's kind of happening here. But when you've been running for like hundreds of percent for days, what is this? 20% correction is really nothing. So once we grab support here and start consolidating, I will expect another shoot up. Maybe not tomorrow. But with the Ripple news coming out and stuff, I do expect another shoot up eventually. But yeah, that's about it. And just real quick, as you can see, we'll go back. This is the minute time frame now. We have a lot of resistance, but we are starting to see a few green candles try and pop up here. They're trying to make their heads. It's getting thinner. So this would mean consolidation. Yeah, support around 3.3. So we'll see what happens here. Not really much to talk about. No face, no case, where I put crypto in the lamest, most dumbest terms for you guys to understand. No face, no case. I'm going to get out of here. Fuck the bots. 50 XRP giveaway at 500 subscribers. Y'all tap in. I'm back, guys. I know I was just going to end the video, but as I was saying, right when I was ending the video, how these red candles were starting to thin out a little bit, as you can see. And then the green candles are going to start to turn. So we do have, like, I just want to let y'all know that I'm not bullshitting, okay? I'm not stupid. We've got the 3.3 support. I've said it before. I said it again. We are not going to bounce off of this. Now here is what's going to happen. We're going to have an aggressive move up. Maybe we'll hit a wall here. Maybe like 3.9 again. Or we could go again here. Maybe like 3.6. We'll hit a wall. We'll start to go back down. Now this is we're going to shoot past. Yeah, we'll see. And we're going to keep going like this. The same thing that happened yesterday, where you went boom, 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 bang, boom, 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 bang, boom, 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 bang. I know it sounds stupid, guys, But it really is that simple. It really is that simple. What more do y'all have to see, man? And especially with a project like Zbcn that is so new, so much bullish sentiment surrounding it, so Ripple news, such a new project, such a low price, bunch of buyers, institutionals finding out about it, guys. We're here to stay. So you guys lock in. Don't get scared of the volatility, and don't be surprised if we keep dropping a little bit more. There's nothing to worry about. But yeah, it will correct a lot though. I want to be very clear. It could easily just drop 50% tomorrow. That's the fun of crypto. So when you make profits, it's very important to take those profits, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, okay? Maybe one day I'll come out and I'll be like, guys, this is exactly what happened when I made a move on Zbcn. I'm not going to discuss that right now, but I'm going to just say it worked out in your boy's favor. All right. Make sure you keep stacking up your other utility cryptos. Spread your profits around, and don't put too much in one basket, guys. Understand that. But this is a very enticing project, very early, and I love the project. I really, really do. And I'm very excited for what is to come in the future. That is about it. I'm going to officially get out of here this time. No face.